What's up, dragon fruit guys? This is Primel of Optimus Prime Dragon Fruit Farmville, New Zealand and Philippines. And today's episode we're gonna do some trial and error if these small pollens can still gonna work on that flower even it's 7 a.m. in the morning already, because it bloomed around 10 in the morning evening last night. So we will test it if it's still gonna produce fruit, because that's a self-sterile one. That it means it needs to cross-pollinate using the other pollen. So we got our pollens from Shenron, so they are good already. Yeah, before that, our objective to this community is to create a dragon fruit commercial farm in each region, dragon fruit community in each suburb, and each dragon fruit plant in each household. Yeah, I'll just give a small update regarding to our dragon fruit. So we're gonna do heaps of replanting, and it's raining a little bit, so that's all right. Yeah, our Ecuador Palora. Yeah, gonna do some take two. It's raining. All right, take two dragon fruit, guys. The rain stops. So yeah, so we'll be back again for the update of our dragon fruit. So still got heaps to replant here to propagate, and there's more there on my nursery area. And this is our Ecuador Palora, and it got some shoots already. Yep, flower buds. And we got a mulch using for against sunburn. So this is our Colombiana, and we got heaps of buds. Oh, 1 2 3 4 buds and buds, so 5. I think there's more on the back. And our Shenron, yeah, this now the update of our Shenron. We cross-pollinated with the red flesh, and that's self-pollinating. We self-pollinated using the other pollens, this one and this one. So we're gonna remove the flower probably tomorrow. Yeah, this is a 5-year-old dragon fruit using 6-inch cutting. And this is our quads, the one we applied our pollens, yeah, 2 days ago using Shenron's pollens. So they're still good. New buds, and our Vietnam white, we got 1 flower here. It succeeded already. So, but there are still heaps of buds coming. This one, let's see. Yeah, but our main objective is this one. Another buds here. So we will test it if it's still gonna produce fruit, even it's almost 7:30 already in the morning, because usually the dragon fruit doing the self-pollinating, when they close the flower, it hits the, yeah, we'll go up here. Hopefully it's strong enough. Yeah, this is the situation. So I apologize with my term last time, because this should be, I told everyone this is the anther, but this is the stigma. This is the anther together with the pollens. As you can see, the stigma is far away from the anther. So if it's a self-pollinating one, that should be close to each other when the flower closes around 8 in the morning. So it's gonna do, the pollens will gonna attach to this one, to the stigma, because the anther is too short for this one. Alright, so we will test it now. Yeah, we're on the top of our dragon fruit. So before we apply our pollens here, so we need to make sure this is dry, because it's raining. This is the purpose of trial and error. Even though you got heaps of pollen and you can apply it 7 late in the morning because it's still open right now, fully open. Yeah. So think gonna shake this one so that the water will be removed, and our pollens will gonna attach to the stigma. So this is another, see, we cannot get the pollens for this one because it's all wet. We blow already the stigma because that's the main female part. So usually there are heaps of abortion during if it's raining because there's no any dry pollens gonna touch it because it's all wet from the anther. You see, it's all wet. Yeah, this one should be fully dry, so we try to shake it. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think that's it, guys. Yeah, it's fully wet. So we will do, so this challenge is like a wet stigma, but we will do plus pollinate. If this work, it's good. If it's not, it's alright because there's still heaps of flower bud to test with. So yeah, here's our Shenron's pollen. This with our brush. So let's get some, a little bit. This one. This lens. Yeah. Yeah, see, it's not focusing. Yeah. Focus. Focus. Yeah. See, the pollens are there already. So we will apply it on the stigma. Yeah, it attached. Yeah. Yeah, you see the white pollens. Yeah, that's it, guys. So we got we can still apply more. Yeah, we got enough. Probably this is good for 5 more. So we will put this one on the refrigerator again, our pollens. Yeah, that's it, guys. Our wet stigma got pollens from Shenron already. Hopefully this will gonna work because the pollens of this one is fully wet and the stigma is wet, but the pollens from Shenron is dry. Yeah, hopefully this one gonna work. Yeah, take photo. 7:25 in the morning, but it's not fully closed, so it's fully open. Yeah, yeah, it's fully green. Hopefully this gonna work. So the test for now is wet flower, wet pollens, wet anther, wet stigma but dry pollens from Shenron. Yep, that's it, guys. If you have questions, suggestions, just comment down below to our YouTube channel. And that's it. So I'll see you on our Dragon Fruit Festival this March 22. Yeah, be safe, guys. This is Promel of Dragon Fruit, Optimus Prime, Dragon Fruit, New Zealand and Philippines. I'll give some updates also in the Philippines. Yeah, see you guys. Enjoy. Yeah. Bye bye.